back there, man, he's just fallen. That aggregate just exploded on the impact there when I said that. I love this quote, this comment. The rancher says to the vet, and then this morning I suddenly noticed she didn't look so good. Well, when you grow up on a dairy farm and the calf gets sick and you don't recognize it, you're in trouble. And Dad says, come on, you guys have got to learn to evaluate the health of those calves. Well, I think one thing as agronomists that we haven't learned to do very well is to recognize our farm ground is in deep trouble. Looks worse than the cow. Now, sometimes as NRCS we go out and look at this guy's field and we don't see erosion, right, John? We don't see erosion. There must not be no problem. But he just got done tilling. Ray Archuleta, one of my colleagues, says this soil is naked, hungry, thirsty, and running a fever. It's naked because there's no armor on the soil surface. Some of us guys, in the summertime when it's 90 degrees, we go about 10 steps out of the pickup truck, right? 7, 8, 9, 10. And the 11th step, Chad is back to the truck to get some armor on our beautiful head of hair. It's hungry because there's no photosynthesis. It's thirsty because it has poor infiltration. And generally, if we came out April 1st or March 25th, there'd be a ripping femoral gully down there, right? Look at the different colors of the soil, how much of that A horizon we've lost. And in the summertime, it's running a fever. Well, that's a little bit of cropland. How about some range ground? Maybe he's not naked, but he could be hungry, thirsty, and running a fever. There's another one. Now, the message about soil health is we need to recognize that many of our soils are in a degraded system, but we need to have a positive approach from here on. Sometimes when we go out and look at farms with a new employee, we'll jump out of the truck and see this, and we'll say, what's the resource concern? What are some things we can fix? Because we have lived in and accepted degraded soil conditions so long, we often focus on the stream or maybe a buffer. But the battle is won or lost on that hill slope. If we wait to intercept that sediment load or pesticide load or nutrient load with a buffer strip, we've lost the battle. We've got to get the water